Alright boys, before we get into this video, I need to tell you two things. The dyno run went pretty good. It sounds fucking hectic, but a few components overheated and the power wasn't as crazy as I thought it was going to be, because it's not an E85 and just a whole bunch of shit. In 2 weeks, we're going to go back in and then push the 700 plus, but it's still pretty fucking crazy. You wait till you hear it. And number two, I am dropping stickers and banners that are probably live and hopefully not sold out yet. We got what's on the front. Beyond Limit on the front, and then the banner here, 𝗟𝗓𝗏. It's like a matte black, but then see-through. On the website, it's gonna look like the words are white. It's not white, it's transparent. And then this little bitch on the back. It's Tuesday right now. We're dropping it tonight at 6 o'clock. If you're watching this video as soon as we post, it's 7 o'clock. So if they're still available, first link in the description. Let's get into this video. Alright boys, we ran into a little bit of a pickle that is going to be sold. There was something with the crank sensor, it kind of overheated or something like that, whatever. So we're running to Burson's, which is 8 minutes away, to grab the new part, come back, put it in. But boys have to stay overtime, like it's 4 o'clock in the afternoon, Friday Arbor, everyone wants to go home. So we're also going to go to the bank, get them out 500 cash, just to say thank you for staying back. So let's go. Fuck, bro.